Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip or the audio track you want to fix. This sets the target. Open the Effects panel and choose Parametric EQ or the 10-band Graphic Equalizer, then drag it onto the clip. Once applied, open Effect Controls to reveal bands, gain, Q, and frequency. This is where you'll shape sound. Make sure to solo the clip when necessary so you hear changes clearly, and use playback to confirm initial tonal balance before making deeper adjustments. You need to identify what's wrong. Play the audio and sweep a narrow band with plus 12 dB to pinpoint harsh or muddy frequencies, then invert that approach to cut. Once found, reduce gain with a tight Q for resonance or use wider Q for musical tone shaping. For bass or air, apply low or high shelves. Make sure to monitor with the spectrum analyzer and toggling bypass so you understand the how and why of each move. This prevents overprocessing and preserves clarity. Finish by comparing a /B. Bypass the EQ and listen for natural improvements. You're aiming for clarity, not obvious equalization. Make small boosts under 3 dB and set overall output to avoid clipping. If low rumble exists, enable a high pass at 2080 Hz. If sibilance appears, address it with a narrow cut rather than wide attenuation. If you hear ringing or artifacts, reduce Q or switch from parametric to graphic EQ. Then render and test at listening levels to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.